Hmm. So today's recipe we are making for pizza, that is a ready-made pizza. So for the ingredients, so here I taken for the pizza base. For the filling I taken here tomato, onion, this is paneer, pepper powder, cheese, chili powder, so pizza topping, salt to taste and 1 spoon of butter. So first we can take, so here we can apply the butter on both the sides. So just we can apply the butter here. So in this one topping we can use for the pizza topping. See here. So pizza base is ready now. Okay, we'll put for the with the cheese everything. So here I'm using pizza tray inside. Close the door. It comes for the 197. So once it will be come for the 200 degree. So don't press any buttons here. Once comes to 200, it comes to the beep. It will become for the blinking like this. So once the blinking like this, so you can open. Already I kept for the low grill rack inside. So we'll keep for the pizza tray inside. Close the door. So here I can set the time for 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Start the button. So 8 minutes your pizza get ready. So here it will be there in the last 40 seconds will be there. So your pizza get ready. One. See, once it will be beep comes, so you can open. See, it will be very nicely. Cheese will be melt, and your base get crisp on this. You can have a look here. See the base sounds also it will becomes. So once it will be the sounds will become, it bakes nicely. You can have a look here. Okay. Thank you.